Apple cookies are a great choice for those looking for a lighter variant of traditional cookies. Here's how to prepare them without butter, replacing it with oil or a fruit puree to still maintain a soft texture and rich flavor. Ingredients: 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 50 milliliters of sunflower seed oil or other neutrally flavored oil, 2 medium apples, such as golden or Fuji, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Icing sugar, optional, to dust. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, lightly beat the egg with the sugar until you have a light and fluffy mixture. Add the oil and continue to mix. Peel the apples, remove the core, and grate them or cut them into small pieces. In another bowl, mix the flour with the baking powder, cinnamon, and pinch of salt. Combine the dry ingredients with the liquid mixture, adding a little at a time and mixing well to avoid lumps. Add the grated apples and mix until everything is well combined. With the help of 2 teaspoons, form small mounds of the mixture on the prepared baking sheet, keeping some distance between each one. Bake the cookies for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. Let them cool on a wire rack before serving. If desired, before serving, you can dust them with a little icing sugar. Curiosity: the use of apples in desserts is common practice in many cuisines around the world. In Italian cooking, apples are often used in tarts, cakes, and of course cookies. Replacing butter with oil in apple cookies is not just a healthier choice, but also gives the dessert a particularly soft texture, along with a subtle flavor that pairs well with the sweetness and acidity of the apples.